Hello everyone, we have been discussing the exercise part of the lesson how the dog found himself a new master. In today's session, we have a passage. Read the following passage and do the exercise that follow, then complete the family tree of dogs given on the facing page. In this session, we have a passage about the dog family. The dog family is one of the 11 families that make up the carnivorous, a large group of intelligent flesh-eating backboned animals. In this group are such varied animals as bears, pandas, raccoons, cats, hyenas, and even seal. The dog or canine family has many wild species like wolves, foxes, coyotes, jackals, and wild dogs. This is the first paragraph. Now I will explain it. The dog family is one of the 11 families that make up the carnivorous. The dog family is a combination of 11 families. They are carnivorous, a large group of intelligent flesh-eating backboned animals. The animals which are in dog family, those are very intelligent, flesh-eating. Flesh means meat and backboned animals. In this group are such varied animals as bears, pandas, raccoons, cats, hyenas, and even seal. These are the animals which are found in this family. The dog or canine family has many wild species like wolves, foxes, coyotes, jackals, and wild dogs. The dog family is also called canine family, and it has many wild animals like wolves, foxes, coyotes, jackals, and wild dogs. Coyote is a name of animal which is like wolf, and it is a wild dog. Wolf like wild dog native to North America. Now, next paragraph. The dog is the only domesticated member of the canine family. Though now and then someone tames a wolf, fox, or coyote as a pet, all members of the dog family are descendants of a wolf-like animal which lived about 50 million years ago. From this distant ancestor, the true dogs gradually developed, but nobody knows the exact ancestor of the modern domestic dog. This is second paragraph. The dog is the only domesticated member of the canine family. In canine family, we find animals like wolves, foxes, coyotes, jackals, and wild dogs. Among these all, the dog is the only one animal which is domesticated. Domesticated means tamed, trained, and brought to the society to keep as a pet. Right? The dog is the only domesticated member of the canine family, though now and then someone tames a wolf, fox, or coyotes as a pet. It is rare that the other animals like wolf, fox, and coyotes keeping them as pet, right? All members of the dog family are descendants of wolf-like animal which lived about 50 million years ago. All the members of the dog family animals like wolf, fox, coyote, jackal, and wild dogs were the descendants. Descendants means relatives of a wolf-like animal which lived about 50 million years ago, many years ago, in the olden days. From this distant ancestor, the true dogs gradually developed. The dog was one of the canine family member, and gradually means day by day it developed and reached this stage, but nobody knows the exact ancestor of the modern domestic dog. It is believed that dog was member of wolf-like animal and it would live in the forest. Gradually it developed its structure and became a domestic. Now we have the last paragraph of this passage. Several wild dogs look and behave like domestic dogs. The dingo or wild dog of Australia is one of these. It is possible that the dingo was a tamed dog brought to Australia long ago, which then ran wild. Dogs were the first animals tamed by humans, perhaps 20,000 years ago. Tamed dogs were brought from Asia to the New World. 5,000 or more years ago, dogs were first used for hunting. This is the last paragraph. Several wild dogs look and behave like domestic dogs. Among the wild dogs, some are very soft. They look very kind and behave like domestic dogs. The dingo or wild dog of Australia is one of these. The dingo is the name of dog. It is found in Australia. It looks kind. It is not vigorous. It is not enormous. It is soft, domestic. It is being a wild dog. It behaves. It looks as a domestic. Dingo is the name of dog which is found in Australia. It is possible that the dingo was tamed dog brought to Australia long ago, which then ran wild. It is believed that the name of the dog dingo was was brought to the society and tamed. It was a domestic. Later it turned into wild. It ran away from the society and became wild. Dogs were the first animals tamed by humans. Man is domesticated many animals in today's generation, in today's life. Among these all, the dogs were the first domesticated animals, tamed animals, perhaps 20,000 years ago. The dogs were domesticated perhaps 20,000 years ago, long ago. Tamed dogs were brought from Asia to the New World. The trained dogs were brought from Asia. It is the name of continent, our continent, to the New World. It refers America, South America, North America, the modern world. 5,000 or more years ago, the dogs were introduced from Asia to the New World, America, before 5,000 years ago. Dogs were first used for hunting. Dogs were first used for hunting before 5,000 years ago. This is the meaning of the passage. We have exercise part on this passage. First one, find the opposite of these words in the text above. Ancestor, descendants. Wild, tame. Ancient, modern. Near, distant. Suddenly, gradually. These are the answers for opposite words. Next one, complete the following sentences. The dingo is dash. The dingo is a wild dog. Dogs were the dash animals tamed by humans. First animals tamed by humans. The other animals tamed by humans are horse, cows, buffaloes, donkey, and so on. Think and name some other such animals. That is the second one. The New World refers to America, and dogs were brought there from Asia. Here are the answers. Ancestor, descendant. Wild, tame. Ancient, modern. Near, distant. Suddenly, gradually. The dingo is a wild animal. Dogs were the first animals tamed by humans. The other animals tamed by humans are horses, elephants, donkeys, cows, bulls, buffaloes. The list goes. The New World refers to America. America's spelling is Merica. Here it is misspelled. Dogs were brought there from Asia. These are the answers for the exercise of the passage, and we have the family tree of dogs. It is the family tree of dogs, and pictures are given. First one is seal, second one is question, R and A is written and the rest of the letters are not given. Third one is H is given and the rest of the letters are not given. Next, that is dog. Dog family is called with another name. Here it is blank. Then second row, P is given in the picture, you can observe, and the rest of the letters are not given. And last one, B, it is simple one, you can identify. And the dog families, members of the dog families are given here: wild and domesticated. Wild, the wild animals which are related to dog family, which are from dog family. W is a hint, clue. F, C and J, these are the beginning letters of the animals which are from the dog family. Now let us solve this. First one is seal, it is written completely. Raccoon, second one is raccoon, RACOON, raccoon. Third one is hennas, HYENO, henna, hennas. Next one is dog or dash family, canin family, CANINE, canin family. Next, P is given, that is panda, PANDA. Next one is bear, BEAR, bear. And the members of the dog family or canine family are given wild and domesticated. They are divided into wild and domesticated. The wild animals are 5. First one is W, that is wolf, WOLF, wolf. Next one is fox, FOX, fox. Next one is coyote, COYOTS, coyote or coyotes. Next one is jackal, JACKL, jackal. Last one is wild dog, it is written. This is the family tree of dogs. These are the answers of that family tree of dogs. You have to write this exercise in the notebook and be ready for the assignment, home assignment on this topic.